Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to remove a Zelle recipient from Citizens Bank. Open the website, then click Login. Then a drop-down list will appear. Click on Login. Now, log in with your online user ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Pay Bills and People. On this page, you will see an option for Send Money with Zelle. Click on Send Money with Zelle. On this page, you will see several tabs. Click on the Settings tab. Now, scroll down a little. Then you will see a section for recipients. Click on the Zelle recipient you wish to remove. On this page, you will see a button that says Remove Contact. Click on Remove Contact. Then a pop-up message will appear asking if you're sure to remove the selected recipient. To proceed, click on Remove Contact. That's how you remove a Zelle recipient from Citizens Bank. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.